In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace bank 1 sensor 2, which is the rear bank, and the lower downstream O2 sensor located in the exhaust. So bring your arm and hand up over the tail shaft of the transmission. That's where you can access this connector real easy. And the tab is actually facing the back of the car. So I'm going to push down on the tab with my thumb and pull towards the passenger wheel. There we go. Now we can pull that sensor down, get our 22mm socket or wrench. We're going to break the O2 sensor free. Slide it out and examine those threads, both in the pipe and on the O2 sensor. It will tell you a story, and ours are good shape, so we don't have to worry about chasing them in that exhaust pipe. So now we're going to take the plastic off that's for the shipping, and plus it has the anti-seize on the threads, and they don't want that getting everywhere. So already nice and applied. Start it by hand, line it up. Okay, I bottomed it out. I'm going to get my 22 O2 sensor socket. And because it has a crush washer, you just want to tighten it till it bottoms out, and then give it a nice quarter turn. Okay, that's bottomed out. Now I'm just going to give it one last good little snug. Now we're going to take our harness, bring it up, grab my hand from over the top, get the wire out of the way, line up that lock tab, push it till you hear a click, and you are all set. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.